Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write essay on how I celebrated Diwali in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. The festival of lights, Diwali, is my favorite festival. I celebrated it this year with a lot of enthusiasm and delight. A week prior to the event, the planning started. In order to make every inch of our house shine, my family and I did a complete cleaning. The day before Diwali, we decorated our home with colorful rangoli at entrance. We hung strings of twinkling lights all around, making our house look magical. On Diwali morning, we woke up early and took a bath. We put on new clothes. I wore a beautiful red kurta that my parents had bought for me. After a special breakfast, we visited our neighbors to exchange sweets and good wishes. the evening, our extended family gathered at our home. In the evening, we performed a small puja to worship Goddess Lakshmi and seek her blessings for health, wealth, and happiness. We lighted lamps and incense sticks. The aroma of flowers and incense filled our home with a festive spirit. As the night fell, we lit more lamps around the house and in our garden. We enjoyed a grand feast of traditional dishes prepared by my mother and aunts. Instead of loud fireworks, we used sparklers and small ground chakras, being mindful of the environment and animals. The night ended with laughter, stories, and the warm glow of family togetherness. It was a Diwali filled with light, love, and lasting memories.